Hey everybody, welcome back to the Magic Academy. Today we are learning the Elmsley Count. It's probably the most important card technique to learn if you're doing any sort of packet tricks. I'm going to be sharing a lot of card routines that implement the Elmsley Count, so I thought it was important to share with you guys the count and how to do it effectively and ultimately master that card technique as it is used in a number of card routines. And so I'll actually be releasing this video alongside the Twisting the Aces card routine. This is a classic that everyone should have in their back pocket. When you produce the aces, you can create another miracle doing the Twisting the Aces routine. So after you've mastered the Elmsley Count, take a look at the Twisting the Aces, and there are many other awesome card routines that utilize the Elmsley Count. Now let's dig in. So there's so many different applications to the Elmsley Count. I'll just give you a quick example. Let's say you want to show your audience 4 aces. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4 aces. But in reality, within the pack of 4 aces is their selection. So that's just one of many applications for the Elmsley Count. Honestly, you're only limited to your imagination on how you can use the Elmsley Count to perform incredible magic. So let's go ahead and look at how this is done. So what are we doing, right? So the third card is essentially the card that is not getting shown. And so how is that taking place? What you're doing is you're peeling off the top card. So you're holding the card in dealer's grip. Some people like to actually perform the Elmsley Count at the tips of the fingers, but to me it just seems unnatural. More often than not, you're holding the card in dealer's grips. And so what does this look like, right? What is the Elmsley Count? It's grabbing the top card as 1. And then from there, you're holding the other cards in between the thumb and the first and second finger, and you're doing a block push off. So I'm pushing off the top 2 cards as 1. And as I push off those 2 cards into the other hand, I'm depositing the other card back to the other hand. So I grab those 2 cards, deposit the first card that was peeled off, and then from there, peel off the third and the fourth card. And so to do that again, it's the top card. You're holding the cards in between your thumb and first and second finger. Do the block push off. As you're getting ready to grab the bottom ace, you use your first finger to clip onto that card. You can even use your thumb and first finger to clip onto the block packet and push off the third and the fourth card. And so at first, it might feel really tricky to do this smooth, and you might be nervous that the cards might slip if you don't grab them properly, the block cards. And so for me, what helps is to clip those cards with my first finger and thumb, and that tends to keep them in place, allowing me to push off the next 2 cards. And so in normal motion, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so as long as you can find a nice rhythm to it, right? You don't want to go 1 and push off all awkwardly like you're hiding something. The more relaxed you are, the more likely they're not even thinking about anything. You're not doing anything. You're not trying to hide anything, right? So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I hope that was helpful. It's pretty straightforward, right? You're just 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you've got that down pat, you're at home, when you're Netflixing and chilling, just grab a few cards and practice the Elmsley Count. Once you've got that mastered, go ahead and check out the Twisting the Aces routine. It uses the Elmsley Count, and it's a fun one. So we'll see you there, and thank you as always for tuning in. See you next time.